Welcome. Today I am with JBL T460 Bluetooth headphones, and I'll show you how you can pair them with your MacBook. So at first you have to take a look on the right headphone, on this one, and you will find here this power button in this place. So we have to click and hold this power button until this indicator right here starts blinking on the blue color. Let's make it right now. Just click and hold. Keep holding. And right now we are able to release. They are in the pairing mode, so we can put them back. And right now we have to focus on our MacBook, so we have to open the Bluetooth settings, enable Bluetooth by tapping on the switcher, and then we can also open Bluetooth preferences, and we have to wait until our headphones pops right here on the available devices list. I'm gonna delete a few of the previously connected because it's too much right here. As you can see, we got them here. So to pair them, just click on the Connect on the JBL T460 Bluetooth headphones. As you can see right now, we are connected, but you have to also make the last thing. You have to open the settings. I just have to go here. And when you are here, we have to open the sound settings. And right now, you have to select the output speaker to the JBL T460 Bluetooth. It's very important because when you stay on the built-in speaker, you are unable to listen through your JBL headphones. So yeah, that's all. If you find this video helpful, remember to like, comment and subscribe.